Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and today we will solve a new question of a new topic which name is algebra, and we will solve a tricky question of algebra, a part of algebra tricky question which is in front of you. The question says 7x upon 4 minus 3x equal to 3. So how to solve it? We will look in today's video. So first of all, what we will do, we will if any any examination, if this type of questions comes in front of you, so what you have to do, don't hurry up and don't misuse. So what you have to do, you only have to cross multiply it. How we will do it? Let's go. 7x will be multiplied by 1 because 3 denominator is equal to 1, and 4 minus 3x will be multiplied by the number 3. Okay, so what we have to do, we will cross multiply it first, then we will solve it by collecting like terms. So let's go. Firstly, we will what do? We will cross multiply it by 7x will be written as it is equal to 3. 3 will be multiplied by 4 minus 3x separately. Okay, will be multiplied by separately. So how we will multiply it separately? Let's go. So this 3 will be written as it is 4 minus 3x. Okay, 4 minus 3x is written. So then we will multiply it 7x equal to 3. So 3 4s is 12. 12 minus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9x. Okay, 12 minus 9x. So then we will collect like terms at one stage. So 7x, 9x will, when it will move to the left hand side, so it will come into positive sign automatically. So 7x plus 9x equal to 12 will be written as it is. Then we will collect, when we have collected items, we will join together. So 9x plus 7x is equal to 16x. 16x equal to 12 will be written as it is. Then what we will do, we have to find out the unknown value. We have to find out the unknown value which is being asked in the question. The question says solve this question. This is meaning of question, this solve. What does the solve says? Okay, the solve means to find out the value of the unknown variable which they are asking in the question. So when we have analyzed the question, though the unknown variable is only x, so the unknown variable which they are asking for the value is x. So we have to actually find the value of the unknown variable which is x. So what we will do after the fourth step, we have to find out the value of x. Then what we will do, this the simple way, what we will do, we will make the subject x. X will be written at one side. Then it will, when 16 is being multiplied by x, unknown variable x, so automatically when it will move to the another side, it will come in the denominator. So x equal to 12 upon 16, x equal to 12 upon 16, and then we will reduce it by the table 4. After reducing by the table 4, it comes, after reducing by the table of 4, it comes x equal to 4 4 3 is a 12 and 4 4 is a 16. So x equal to 3 over 4 is the answer. So the unknown variable which they are asking is x, and the value of x we have find in the question is 3 over 4. So this is how we will solve this question. So I hope that you have understood our today's class. So firstly, when we have done, so how to recheck it? How we will recheck it? We will place the value of x in we will place x 3 over 4, and we will calculate it, and we will get the correct answer 3. So firstly, what we have do it, from the first step we have analyzed the question, what they are asking to solve the question. If they ask us to simplify, we don't have to solve the unknown variable of x. So the question says to solve, we will have to find the value of x at any cost. So what we have firstly do, 7x will be multiplied by 1 because there's nothing in the denominator, means it's 1. So 7x equal to 3 will be multiplied by 4 minus 3x, because equal to sign means cross multiply. So 3 will be multiplied by 4 minus 3x, which they get 4 to the 12 minus 9x. Then we collect the like terms at one place. Then 9x will be coming at the left hand side. Next 9x plus 7x equal to 12. Then 16x equal to 12, and then x equal to 12 over 16. From which and after reducing it, don't forget to reduce the fractions. If they are even or odd, you have to reduce the fraction at any cost. So after reducing it, we have get the answer 3 over 4. So the final answer of the x value is 3 over 4. So I hope that you have reached to my point, and this is how we will calculate, and we will calculate algebraic expression or inequalities at a simply easiest method to solve it. So in our next class, we will solve more interesting questions of algebraic equation and expressions. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment that you felt this video amazing, interesting, or adorable. So thank you.